Thank you so much for the package. I just received them and I must say I'm so much impressed. I really had what I ordered. The hair is really fire. Really fire. I just can't get enough of the hair. Look. This is it. It feels so great. It's so real. Like, oh my God, Jazz. Thanks so much for this wonderful hair. I just can't wait to fix it. Hold on. So this is 14 inches, longer than the usual. This is 14 inches, longer than the usual. I feel so great. The hair is really fire. You can feel it from the screen. Wow. Jazz, thank you so much for the hair. I really love them. I really do. I really do. In fact, I'm coming back for more. I really do. Thanks. This is it. I have it right here. Okay. And then the pixie curl is in the net. Yeah. Hold on, let me take it off. In the net. And this is the... Thanks so much for this wonderful hair. The hair is really breathing, like it's speaking. Goodness, I can't wait to have it on my hair, Jasmine. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. I really appreciate your service. Thanks for the card. Thanks for the card that you added to the package, the pen, and then the carrier bag. Hair is so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Thanks so much, Jasmine. I'm coming back for more. Thank you. Thanks so much. And thanks for the note attached to the package explaining the delay. It's still worth it. Thanks so much. You have really good customer service. I really enjoy your customer service. You made it so safe transacting business with you. Thank you, Jazz. That is so beautiful. Oh my God.